To operate our high idle control switch, we'll find that below our steering wheel, right near our right hand, just to the left of your ignition key. First thing you'll have to do before you actually touch these controls is you'll have to put your emergency brake on. So we'll first put our emergency brake on. We'll look at our dash here. It'll say park. All right, now that it says park, we can operate our high idle control switch. On the left-hand side, you'll have your black switch. It will say on. To turn that on, you'll see a red indicating light showing that it is on. If that red indicator light is not on, you probably didn't put your emergency brake on. So make sure that you do that. After that is set to the on position, you'll then click the right hand switch into the up position. And that will raise your idle. You'll actually hear the engine speed go up, and then you should be able to operate your high idle control switch much like a generator. So we can use some plugs that we normally wouldn't be able to use, and then we'd be able to run things like, let's say for instance, we could do a coffee maker, we could do a hair dryer, things of that nature. But this is just another tool in your Swiss Army knife of things that you can do with your Midwest van, with having the options of also doing an inverter and doing the generator. And now we have the high idle control switch. So they give you many different options, many different choices of how to operate your equipment on the Midwest Weekender.